Good afternoon, South Africans. Good afternoon, my brothers and sisters. Today, let me just talk to you. Let's leave Cyril Ramaphosa. We spoke to him yesterday. Let me speak to you, my brothers and sisters. There is an act that is called the Criminal Procedure Act. It is Act number 51 of 1977 of the Criminal Procedure Act, which falls under Section 42. The Act says, number 1, if you reasonably suspect that somebody has committed a crime, you as a South African citizen, you have a right to arrest that person. Number 2, if you reasonably suspect that somebody has committed a crime and they are being pursued by somebody who has the authority to arrest them, you as a South African, you have a right to arrest them. Number 3, it says you are empowered by law to make this arrest without a warrant. Number 4, if you are an owner or an occupier of a property where you find somebody committing a crime in that property, you have a right to arrest that person, and that arrest is called a citizen arrest. So let us fix those ministers who are saying we do not have an authority to arrest people that we do not what. That's nonsense. As South African, we do have a right to arrest without a warrant. That is the nice thing. Then Section 35 of the Constitution explain the nitty-gritties of those that are arrested. Those that we are going to arrest must go and read Section 35 of the Constitution. It tells them about their right. When you arrest a person, you must tell them of their rights, the right to remain silent. They have a right to see the magistrate within certain time. Let them, those who are going to commit crime and we are going to arrest, go and check Section 35 of the Constitution so that they know their rights. Tina, as South African citizens, we need to know, Guti, whatever that we are doing, we'll be doing it within the prescripts of the law. Sizoyenza ngaphakathi komthetho. Thina nje sobophigi lamkhuba esinesho ukuthi ugovernment wethu uyayifuna. Abantu abangena kulezo ngokungekho emthethweni bayigebengu labo bantu. Ugovernment ngiyathemba ukuthi abafuna. So sithi ke mhla ka 30 June uyeza bayahamba labantu.